Hello, my name is Bhavansh Stapak, and thank you, Innocaption, for providing me with this opportunity to work on such a great project. I'm currently pursuing my master's in computer science from Arizona State University here in Tempe, Arizona, and I am really excited about this opportunity because it has the potential. It really does helps in changing the lives of thousands of people daily, and having to contribute to such a mission would be a privilege. So, having my skill set put to such a use would be there would be no better use to that. And second, what reason would be that my profile matches with the job description. So, for example, all of my previous projects, my internships, uh, they really match with the job description is what is provided. And given the project, I also feel like this would be very right fit for me. I also have a lot of experience in React and React Native. I'm getting my hands dirty currently in Next.js, TypeScript, and AWS, which I'm really loving. And yeah, as I said, React Native and React. I also have developed a lot of mobile applications in React Native and Expo. Please feel free to check out my GitHub repos as well and give me any valuable feedbacks. For example, I have a repo called Travel Pulse. The demo is on the repo. Please feel free to check it out. And as I said, this gives me the perfect opportunity to bootstrap my career and launch and provide valuable impact in the society. And the environment with Innocaption seems really exciting. The startup culture, I'm really glad if I'd be really lucky and glad if I could to put my hard work in such a mission. So here's the demo for my project. Please feel free to check it out. Thank you. So hello, this is my project, and this is the front page of the website, the e-commerce page. This lists all the products, and it has two major components: the search component and the category components. I can search the products by their names or by their categories. So let's say I want groceries. I have the groceries. I want furniture. I have the home decoration. I have men's watches. It can fetch me all the products by their categories, or I can just have all the products. Or even if I want the products by name, for example, by search, I want this home hanger, or say, for example, I want the sunglasses. So I will get the sunglasses. For example, I want the watches. I can even look for watches. And anything for the woman, I have the tops, everything. I can search for particular projects. So for the front end, I have used Tailwind CSS. For the back end, I have used Redux and React. My everything in the backend goes with Redux state management. That has helped me to fetch products from the API. And to display them, I used Tailwind CSS with the React. And this is my stack for this project. And that's all in JavaScript. So I have the cart functionality as well, apart from searching the product. So let's say I want to example this. So this is another page. This is a products detail page, which displays all the images for the products. It has the price. It has the add to cart button, which we will do right now, which will lead us to the cart. It has all the details that is fetched by in the dummy JSON API. And let's say I want to buy this iPhone. So I'll click on the iPhone, and I have that in my cart. Then now this web page is also responsive. So I can do this. I can check all the products again. And let's say I want to buy this hyaluronic acid serum, which seems nice. I will change back to this again. I'll buy this as well. I'll add it to the cart. And as you can see, my cart, it displays the number of items we have currently in the cart. And this whole clicking on the cart button will lead us to this cart page, from which we can remove the product. Let's say I remove the iPhone, or I can even add the products. So I can increase the quantity, and it will show me the list, the quantity of items in my cart, and the total price. So, for example, if I want to continue shopping, I let's say I want to buy a cool laptop. Okay, so this laptop seems really cool. Okay, I'll add it to the cart, and there we go. It has been added to my cart, and the total price as well. So That's great. I can buy these, the checkout button, which currently does nothing, but can be added in the future. And there we go. I can also remove all the items. Let's say I don't want to buy anything. I'll just keep my cart empty. And this is my project. All the buttons right now don't do much, but they have future potential. There we go, Innocaption. So this was my project. There is a lot to discuss about this. So libraries I have discussed. The most proud thing is the smoothness of this, is how smoothly it works, and the credit all goes to the Redux's toolkit state management, because it makes the whole code so predictable and easy to debug, because you know when you press a button what action is dispatched and how the reducers handle that, and what action is dispatched again when your request is fulfilled. It's so easy. It makes things so easy. Although it looks a lot complicated, but that's the thing I'm most proud of, is that that my code is really predictable if one has the understanding of Redux. And not only that, let's talk about the most challenging thing. The most challenging thing is the probably the UI, because I haven't had much activity over here. I haven't had the opportunity of doing much things over there. It's really a simple UI, a basic one just to get things done, but that's all possible with Tailwind's CSS free modules that are available on their website. Um, Also, another thing that I found challenging was to work with, other than UI, was the user experience. I think that requires a bit of research as well. So, for example, let's do this product. So, if I scroll down, the only way I can go back is through this button. But if I am here, I can go back with this button here as well. Now, the reason why I've added two buttons is because if I'm here, it'll be easier through this button. But if I scroll here, I don't have to scroll down. I have to scroll back. So for the convenience of the user, the accessibility, the improving the user experience, I feel like there's a lot of improvement scope in that. And it was a challenge for me, because rather than being a challenge, it was a lack of time where I could, it took me a lot of time, so is what I'm saying. And I can add a lot of elements to the UI. Other than that, it's been a great learning experience. Thank you.